Hi and welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription. This video is going to show you how to pair this Microsoft Surface Pen with this Microsoft Surface Duo 2. This should work also with the Duo 1. It's a quick video. Give it a look. Alright, you came to learn how to pair your Surface Pen to the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. This will also work for the Surface Duo 1. So what you're going to need to do is connect the pen to Bluetooth. You've probably found the pen has been working. And if it has been working and you're just wanting to learn how to do the shortcuts, that'll be in this video. So first thing we need to do is to pair our pen. So we're going to go to Settings, Connected Devices, Bluetooth, and we're going to pair a new device. And then you need to press the eraser key and hold it. And you see the light flashing and you see it pop up here. Select it, pair, it's that simple. There's no way to enter any codes or anything. Go back one screen. Scroll down to where you see Surface Pen. Select Surface Pen. Now you're going to see pen shortcuts. You will see OneNote and Screenshot are already selected. Double click for Screenshot. And then there's a press and hold, which you can set to open an app. If you want to change the single click or the double click, you can do that. You can change those to open apps, or you can flip them around to single click or double click to be the OneNote. I'm kind of repeating myself there, but let's go down here to the press and hold, and you'll see your option selection for Screenshot and OneNote. And then all your apps. You just scroll your app list, find the app that you want, select it, and you're done. So I selected Outlook. Okay. Hope you liked it. Thumbs up on the video. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Subscribers drive content. Drive the motivation for content. Share it. Let other people know. And as always, thanks for watching.